What's up, guys? Freedom Thrower here. This is probably going to be one of my first videos that I actually post. What this is in regards to is my personal attempt to file for a New York State pistol. I will say I am not a perfect person. I have had a past, not severe, not anything crazy, but I've had a past. I am legally allowed to own a firearm in the state of New York, which is pretty hard to do, especially if you have anything. So I just squeezed by barely, and at one point I couldn't buy any firearm. It took a long time to even just be able to buy one. So, first thing is, now at this point, what I have done is I've obtained all my papers that I was supposed to for the New York State pistol permit. I filled out most of my references. I have a couple more that I need to get taken care of. I have now done my pistol permit course. That was 16 hours plus 2 hours of range time. It was absolutely absurd. That's what really made me push it off for so long. I didn't want to go sit on a weekend, wasting my whole day, 16 hours sitting in a classroom and 2 hours on the range. Sure, 2 hours on the range, cool. I'm fine with that. But 16 hours of classroom, pretty fucking ridiculous. I got that. So you need 4 references. Each city and county is different. If you do live in New York State and you're filing for a pistol permit, make sure you read where you can have your references from. It's not just 4 references. You cannot have any family. Why? Stupid. And you also can't have cops. I have a couple cop buddies that would totally vouch for me, but they're not legally allowed to do that. So, I took my course. The next thing I need to do is what is called Identico. I need to get fingerprinted. I then need to go get 2 inch by 2 inch, I believe, black and white photo to submit as well. And then I also need 2 more references. I'm trying to decide. I think I haven't really decided totally on who I was going to have do those 2. But so now I'm not driving, so this is gonna try to wrap this up. But I took my course. I got a couple of my references already. You do need, if you've ever been arrested, which I have been, you need a certificate of disposition from every court that you were ever arrested at. And if they are sealed cases, you must ask them on your disposition to mark it unsealed. You have to sign something letting them know they're unsealing it. It is only temporary. It's just to seal. Even though on Identico, when they do the fingerprinting, that will show all that. I don't know. That's what you want. So the hardest part of this whole entire process, and the most expensive, is the pistol permit course. I personally paid $350, but most places are $500. Actually, no, for $500, it was $550, $575 to the places. I did find one place for $300, another guy for $350. So that was a little bit better, but from where it used to be, it was a 3-hour course for $50 just a year ago, not even, before Kathy Hochul changed all these laws. So right now, I'm going to try in the next week or 2 to get my photo taken, get my 2 references to sign, and then my identical, which is my fingerprint, and then go turn it in. Other than that, all my papers filled out. So I'm hoping it doesn't take too long, because at this point you can't even purchase a rifle, a semi-automatic rifle in the state of New York without a license. So it's not fun. And also, one thing that does suck also is ammo. You cannot purchase ammo now without what I call a registry. So you have to give them your name, your address, your phone number, where you work, what your occupation at that job is, what you do, the caliber that you're purchasing, and how many rounds you're purchasing. And they also, so you have to give them all that, write it all down, and then they also take a picture of your ID. I believe some places just take a picture of the ID, but I don't know why they make you write it down. So yeah, not cool. Sorry, my phone is just about to die. I realized that, so I'm plugging it in real quick. So yeah. Oh, turn on. Okay. So that's all for now. Hopefully you were able to hear me. I just realized my AC was probably blasting that whole time. But again, my name is Freedom Thrower. If you want to see more videos, please like this video. Please put in the comments, say what's up. You can call me Matt if you don't want to refer to me by Freedom Thrower, Freedom. For now, I'm going to withhold my real name until I feel comfortable with doing so. You can call me Matt. That's my middle name, so I'm not using somebody else's actual name. Or Freedom Thrower. That's it. So once we get the pistol permit, I will be attempting to do gun reviews, shooting, just whatever. This channel is not just going to be about guns. I know Freedom Thrower is essentially throwing freedom down range. That's what I was getting at with that. So, but it's riding motorcycles. If I can get some videos on there riding motorcycles, my problem is I can't edit. I don't know how to edit. So, if somebody has any idea on what to use to edit videos that's very simplistic, I'd be more than happy to hear them. So keep up the fight to keep your Second Amendment. Keep pushing, and make sure you vote red. I don't care if it's for Trump necessarily. I do like Trump, but we need to figure something out. Biden is destroying our Second Amendment at this point. So, Freedom Thrower out. We'll catch you guys later. I appreciate you watching if you stayed till the end. Like this video if you did stay till the end. And give me a hashtag free men in the comments. Thanks, man. Have a good one.